Astronomers finally spot Betelgeuse's mysterious companion star. Supergiant's secret revealed. Imagine the cosmos as a vast, untamed wilderness, where even the brightest stars can hide secrets. For decades, astronomers have suspected that Betelgeuse, one of the most luminous stars visible to the naked eye, has a companion star lurking in its vicinity. Now, thanks to the powerful Gemini North Telescope in Hawaii, scientists believe they finally spotted this elusive celestial neighbor, a smaller star orbiting closely around Betelgeuse, nestled in the constellation Orion's shoulder. This discovery, if confirmed, could unravel some of the mysteries surrounding Betelgeuse's peculiar behavior and provide insights into its ultimate fate. The findings, set to be published in the astrophysical journal Letters, suggest that Betelgeuse, a red supergiant nearing the end of its life, has a companion in its early stages of stellar evolution. This companion, often referred to as Betelbuddy, is a stark contrast to Betelgeuse, which has already exhausted its hydrogen fuel and is now burning helium. The discovery is particularly intriguing because it could explain the star's 6-year oscillations in brightness, a phenomenon that has puzzled astronomers for years. But here's where it gets controversial. The existence of Betelbuddy was long predicted but never observed. Some experts are skeptical about the initial findings, emphasizing the need for further observations to confirm the detection. Sarah Blunt, an astronomer at the University of California, Santa Cruz, notes that while the images are promising, more data is required to validate the discovery. It's quite tough to say whether or not the detection is believable at this point, she says. The research team used a technique called speckle imaging, which involves capturing short exposure times to minimize atmospheric distortions. By stacking these images, they were able to reveal the faint presence of Betelbuddy. This method pushed the capabilities of the Gemini North Telescope to its limits, demonstrating the potential for future high-resolution observations. Betelbuddy is estimated to have about 1.5 times the mass of our Sun and orbits Betelgeuse at a distance of approximately 4 times the Earth-Sun distance. Its close proximity to the dying supergiant means that Betelbuddy will likely face a violent end. Once Betelgeuse explodes as a supernova, it will likely engulf its companion. Alternatively, gravitational forces will cause Betelbuddy to spiral into Betelgeuse within the next 10,000 years. This discovery also sheds light on a significant event in 2019 and 2020, when Betelgeuse dimmed dramatically, leading some astronomers to speculate that it might be on the verge of a supernova explosion. However, subsequent research revealed that the dimming was actually caused by the ejection of a gas blob that formed a dust cloud, temporarily obscuring the star's light. The next opportunity to study Betelbuddy will come in 2027, when the companion star is expected to be at its farthest point from Betelgeuse, making it easier to detect. This upcoming observation could provide crucial data to confirm the initial findings and deepen our understanding of this fascinating stellar system. What do you think? Is the discovery of Betelbuddy a game changer in our understanding of Betelgeuse? Or do you think more evidence is needed? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Betelgeuse confirmed to have a distant twin. Both stars are doomed. The cosmic countdown begins. Betelgeuse's twin star spotted. But its fate is sealed. Imagine witnessing the final dance of a celestial giant, only to realize its tiny, doomed companion is about to meet an explosive end. Welcome to the poignant tale of Betelgeuse, the red giant, and its newly discovered binary twin, Siwara, a star destined for oblivion. But here's where it gets fascinating. After years of speculation, astronomers have successfully detected Siwara, a small faint star orbiting the massive Betelgeuse. This breakthrough discovery, made possible by pushing the limits of high angular resolution imaging with the Gemini telescope, confirms predictions and opens doors to new observational pursuits. Located in the constellation of Orion, approximately 548 light-years away, Betelgeuse is a behemoth among stars, with a mass between 16.5 and 19 times that of our Sun, and a staggering radius of around 764 times larger. Despite being a mere 10 million years old, youthful in cosmic terms, this giant is nearing its end, a consequence of its immense mass, which fuels a shorter, more turbulent lifespan. The science behind the spectacle. More massive stars like Betelgeuse burn brighter, hotter, and faster, culminating in spectacular supernova explosions that forge neutron stars or black holes. Sawarha, with a mass approximately 1.6 times that of our Sun, is at a different stage of its life cycle. As an F-type star, not yet on the main sequence, it has an ignited hydrogen fusion in its core, a milestone that may never be reached. The bittersweet reality. While Betelgeuse and Sawarha were likely born together, their lifespans are starkly contrasting. Betelgeuse's impending supernova, expected within the next 100,000 years, will leave Sawarha in the direct path of destruction. This doomed star's fate raises a poignant question. Can we truly appreciate the beauty of celestial mechanics without acknowledging the transient nature of life in the universe? The next chapter. With the next observation window opening in November 2027, astronomers have a narrow 2-year window to refine their techniques and capture a clearer glimpse of Sawarha before its predicted demise. The research published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters invites us to ponder the intricate, often heartbreaking, ballet of celestial bodies. Now it's your turn. Share your thoughts. Do discoveries like these change your perspective on the universe's vastness and the fleeting nature of life? Should we focus more on the transient beauty of celestial events or the pursuit of understanding the cosmos' deeper mysteries? Voice your opinions in the comments below.